Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best trunk organizers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Trunkcratepro Collapsible Portable Multi-Compartments Trunk Organizer. If you are ready to spend a little more money, but still not break the bank, this trunk organizer from Trunkcratepro is the best on the market. It's built from very high-quality materials and the attention to detail is admirable. As a matter of fact, you can enjoy a lot of hassle-free years with this product thanks to the lifetime warranty. The best thing about Trunkcratepro's product is that it comes with dividers, subdividers, and mesh pockets inside. In other words, this is a great organizer for big, medium and small items, probably the best out there. It also has eye holes and non-skid hook and Velcro strips to keep it securely in place. The built-in handles are heavy-duty and very comfortable as well, and the materials used are waterproof, great for keeping fluids out of your trunk. It is also very sturdy and it will not change its shape even with heavier items stored, yet it is easily foldable for keeping it aside when not needed. There are also several side pockets, of which one is expandable and good for keeping bigger items. Sadly, the mesh side pockets are not as elastic and you can put only flat items there. These are only small caveats that really don't take away from the overall high-quality item the Trunkcratepro organizer is. It's also not very expensive for the quality it offers, and that's why it sits on top of our list. Number 2. Our second best pick is Picnic at Ascot Heavy Duty Rigid Base Trunk Organizer. As the name suggests, the Picnic at Ascot Ultimate is a great organizer if you go camping or like to picnic. It's the highest quality item on this list. This organizer is made of high-quality materials and there is a lot of attention to detail. Thanks to that, the manufacturer gives a lifetime warranty, which is no small feat for an item that will be used almost every day for heavy-duty applications. The attention to detail goes way beyond the build quality. Apart from adjustable panels and the waterproof materials, the Picnic organizer has a built-in cooler. Yes, you can put your cold beer here and be sure that it will stay that way when you arrive at the picnic. Nobody wants a warm beer. And if you don't want to use the cooler, you can simply remove it. The Picnic at Ascot Ultimate Organizer has Velcro straps underneath that will keep it securely in place while driving, and heavy-duty handles that can take a lot of abuse. And even though it's very sturdy and durable, this organizer has a smart design that allows it to be easily collapsible when you don't want to use it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Drive Auto Car Trunk Organizer with Multi-Compartment. This is the best-selling trunk organizer on Amazon, and one of the best-selling of all automotive accessories, so we wanted to see if it was any good. The Drive Auto Organizer is made of a rubberized, waterproof, and foldable but stiff fabric that does a good job of staying in place when it's empty. It measures a convenient 23x17 by 11 inches and has a main central divider, with a smaller snap-in divider that folds out of the way, holding in the roll of shop towels and oil in our photo. The stitching and materials are good, and it felt durable. There are a variety of exterior pockets on the outside, some of which are stiff, non-stretch mesh, others of which have Velcro straps or lids. There are also 2 interior handles which are convenient for picking up the whole thing, as well as toggles and loops on the outside which let you collapse it to half size, or flatten it entirely. 2 shortish adjustable straps with rubberized hooks are provided to attach it, with 2 exterior loops to cargo tie-downs inside your trunk, but they didn't line up with the points in the corners of our Dodge Magnum RT's large trunk. We think another pair should have been included. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Starling's Car Trunk Organizer, durable and adjustable. Starling's trunk organizer is a very good item for everybody who wants a sturdy product that can take a lot of beating. It has 3 compartments inside, which is great for organizing items of different sizes, and it even has pockets on the outside. However, these pockets are not as expandable as some others on this list. The best thing about Starling's product is that it offers a very high-quality 1680D Oxford polyester material for the price, which is very durable and doesn't bend even when used to the max. On the bottom, it has two rubberized non-skid grips, but no Velcro strips, which tend to be better at keeping it in place while driving. On the other hand, the handles are very comfortable to use, and thanks to the sturdy material used, you don't need to worry that the organizer will be torn apart. You can really trust this one. It even comes with a sunshade in the package, which is an additional plus for this product. Add to that a reasonable price and you have one of the best organizers on the market today. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is FORTEM Car Trunk Collapsible Multi-Compartment Organizer. Ever wanted to hide the items in your trunk from the prying eyes of people? Then you need the organizer from FORTEM, which comes with a nylon cover. Sure, the cover may limit the space, items must not be very high, but it's definitely good to have it around. And because it is made from nylon, it is easily foldable for storage. We also really like the design of this organizer, as it can be easily adjusted to different lengths to better suit your needs, and it has 3 compartments inside. It's also built from high-quality materials, and the build quality is good enough for heavy-duty applications. We also like that there are Velcro strips below that help to securely keep it in place while driving. Another plus is that it's easily foldable into a very small size, which is great for storage. That said, it's not as sturdy as the organizers higher on this list, which means that it shouldn't be used for heavier items as it can change shape while driving. The handles don't inspire confidence either. Side pockets are also on the small side too, don't expect to put big items here. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.